Hello again, everyone. Good to see you back. And I have something new to show you. I don't know, a few videos back, probably it was the fall, I think, right? No, winter. The winter box. What am I talking about? I am talking about FabFitFun. It's a subscription box. Easy for me to say. It's seasonal, and it is so worth the money. I believe, and now I'm like forgetting, I might have to take this back and give you the correct information when I put information below, but I believe it's $49 a box. But it's easier to do, and I think it's a little cheaper to do the whole year, which is what I did. So this is the spring box, and it's very pretty. And they are customizable, so they'll give you a list of things that you can choose from that could be in the box. So that's really nice if you do that. I admit I was like bad at looking at my emails and paying attention, and I missed the time where I could have customized my box, so I got whatever they sent me. So I am going to show you what they sent me, and I already opened this up because of course I couldn't wait. They do give you a magazine in there, and it will go through you know, some articles and whatnot. I'm trying to show this to you. And then it's going to show you what could be in your box. So whatever is in your box, there's going to be something on it in this magazine to describe it a little bit. So this is a really cool little magazine, and there's different beauty tips and fashion and whatnot. So really neat magazine that it comes with. I'm like trying to find a place to put it. Ah! All right, so to unwrap the box to see what I've got. I've got silicone straws. And I don't know about you, but I have been trying a lot in recent years to be more eco-friendly with how I live and whatnot. And so, ooh, cool. Pretty colors. They are silicone straws. It comes with a brush, so you can clean it. And what's this? This is, I don't know what this is. This is the eco-friendly set comes with 4 straws, a brush cleaner, and a portable carrying case. So you can clip them to your keys and be ready to sip delicious spirits on the go. Well, that's cool. Now I gotta try it, because I'm sure you want to see how this actually goes together. I gotta open it. There we go. Now open this, and we'll see how it fits in there. I think you have to fold it maybe into thirds. Yeah, fold it into thirds. And then you have a straw on the go. I mean, I don't know that I would clip it to my keys, but I definitely could throw this in my purse or in my tote bag if I'm going out for the day or whatever. That is very cool. Okay, I'm excited about that. Let's see what the brand is. It's called Chick and Tonic. Chicken Tonic, I think that is. Very cool. All right. And what else we got here? We've got Marinella, Rosewood, and Leticia Cubera body oil with mongongo and pomegranate oil. So that's kind of cool. I have to say about the subscription boxes, there are some things that maybe I wouldn't be all that interested in, but they make great things to hang on to for gifts then, you know. This is Winky Lux. And it's called Rainbow Lip and Cheek Balm. I don't know what that means, but we're going to find out together. It's a little silver bullet thing. Oh, that's interesting. It is rainbow colored. Kinda. Cheek and lip balm. I'm doing a swatch on my skin for you. And that's how it's swatched out. That's interesting. I'm gonna kind of blend it out over my hand and see how it would be for a blush. Because they said cheek. I could see it a little bit. See how it just gives a little blush to my hand? And then, I mean, obviously the colors mix together, so is a lip balm. And it feels very moisturizing. Cool. I'm definitely trying that. And then I have, this is a 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask Collection by Wei, W-E-I. And it says China Herbal Beauty. So this must be from China. I'm just going to open it, but it has really strong tape on it. I didn't bring any scissors with me. Wait, I think I'm getting one off. I do want to show it to you. Oh, this is interesting. There's like little pots in there. I just got my nails done. Don't want to ruin those, right? That reminds me. Any of you like to get your nails done? I love having pretty nails. It's my little splurge. Okay. Oh, it has a brush in it too. There's a brush to apply the masks. And there are 4 purifying mud masks. And there are 4 Ready Glow exfoliating masks. That's pretty cool. I love doing masks. Usually I'll do them on a Sunday, which is usually kind of more of a down day. So I call it my exfoliation or special treatment day. So I will do a mask or a scrub or something like that on a Sunday. And then there's days where I'm just feeling kind of poopy and I pamper myself and I give myself facial and, you know, get all lotioned up all over and just kind of pamper myself. So there are those days too. So that'll definitely come in handy. And let's see here. This brand's called This Works. And it's Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. A multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. It says use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep. And it's a powerful anti-aging super blend of shea butter, cranberry and camellia sativa oils to nourish, support, and preserve skin vitality, and pure essential oils of lavender, vetiver, and chamomile to help improve sleep quality. Well, that's kind of cool. You get to moisturize and sleep. sometimes I can use that. I don't know about you. And I do have a few friends who have the same problem as sleeping at night. Sometimes, well, with my case, my mind is just going all the time. And if I can't get it to shut down, I have a hard time sleeping. But I do have a friend who's for quite a few years has had trouble sleeping, and she doesn't know why. You know, she's tried all sorts of different things. So maybe I should give that to her. You know what? I might do that. She needs some sleep. Maybe that will help. This next one is by Glow. It is a wrinkle treatment. Ooh, all right. I did already open this. Now I remember what this is. I opened this box, I think it was last week when I got it. But this is one of those light therapy things, and it has a timer, and I already put the battery. It comes with its batteries, and you're supposed to hold it on, you know, wherever you have wrinkles for. It has a timer. I think it's 3 minutes, but they tell you to do like a little patch test just to, you know, make sure that your skin will react okay with it, which I haven't done yet, but I'm going to, because I definitely want to try that. So you can see already, and I haven't even gotten through everything, that you get a lot of stuff in this box, and they say it's over $200 worth for, you know, what, you're spending 50 bucks. So, I mean, it is worth it. And this is another moisturizer, it looks like, by AG Hair Care. It's called, oh, so it must be for the hair then. Duh. Fast Food. And it's a leave-on conditioner. Huh. This might be good for the summer. Oh, it is way too small. And I don't have my glasses. But it's a leave-on conditioner. So that's cool. I might look it up in the magazine after I do. I think I have one last thing to show you. Yeah. So the last thing in here, huge, it's CalPack is called. It's packing cubes. So these are to use inside your luggage to kind of organize your packing. And the first one's a big one. You could almost use that as a, I don't know, little briefcase type thing. And then, or you could use that to like anything larger, like a blouse or something that you wanted to keep, you know, nice when you're packing. Oh, and here's another one. Looks like they all have the handles on there. Here's the next size lower. Same thing. Keep things nice, you know, and flat and protected. And then another one, this size. So you got 3 of those. That's pretty cool. So now about that fast food, let's check in this magazine here, if I can find it real quick for you. And it was like right there. It is 5A. AG Hair Fast Food Leave-In Conditioner dealing with frizzy or dry hair. Use the leave-on conditioner to moisturize and help smooth split ends. And it says it retails for $24. So that's pretty cool. What else is on here? I'll just check on this page just to give you an idea. 3C. I had gotten the Way 2-in-1 Purify Blot and Glow Mask Collection. That was this one with the little pots. It says use the brown sugar mask for a radiant complexion or the golden root mask to deeply cleanse the skin. And it retails $45. So that was 45 and what, the 24 or whatever? Yeah. So already with 2 products, you're already over what it cost. for the subscription box. And then there was one other thing on here that I have. Let's see. That's 4B. That was the Marianella Imperial Jade Body Oil. Moisturize and replenish the skin with 100% pure oils and vitamins. And that retails for $68. Very cool. Oh, the light thing that I had put on there. The Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle and Anti-Aging Light Device. Stimulates collagen and elastin with this multi-wave light device. It retails for $68. The cubes, 2A. Here we go. The tubes for packing, that retails $40. So as you can see, with everything that I've gotten, oh, here's the Rainbow Lip Balm. And it is, let's see, 8A. It retails for $18. It says, give your lips a just-been-kissed flush of color with this tinted and pH hybrid balm. What else was on here? Trying to think of the other, find the other stuff that was on in my box here. I don't want to bore you too much. Oh, the Deep Sleep Body Lotion. 6A. This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. Use this cream to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing the skin. It retails for $40. And just wonderful stuff. And then it does go into some detail on some of them. There's an article on the light one. Here's an article on catching your Z's, and it has some of the products that were in the box. So really great magazine that goes along with it. I highly recommend it. I love the subscription box. Like I said, it's seasonal, so then, you know, the next one will be a summer one, and then the fall and the winter. So I highly suggest it. And I hope you enjoyed unboxing with me. You may have seen other people unbox, but like I said, they're customizable, so there's different things in each box. So check it out. I will put the web address down below so that you can look at the site and see if it's something for you. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed unpacking with you and discovering, because I packed it before, but I hadn't really looked at everything and looked up what it does and all. So I'm excited to learn too, and I can't wait to try some of it. And maybe I'll be back with you to give you a report on what I liked, what I didn't, what I don't know. I don't know, we'll see. So anyway, I'm glad to see you. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And until next time, ciao Bella.